at it. I got my new pack. I had my bread bag, and y'all know I bring too much stuff, but my bread bag just didn't have enough room for everything. I went to this medium size bag. Tighten that in. Got my haversack. We'll gather up some stuff and try to make a fire. Alright, we'll get us some, see if we can find us some cedar. That seems to be that's worked better for me here lately. Some over here, I think. Might even get us some fat wood. You know, last time we was down here, it was so wet. I'll just keep collecting some of this, put it in here. I like this. Just keep collecting some of this and then we'll see what we got. Oh yeah, that's good and dry there. That'll work good. I think that's enough. Get some fat wood. We should be good. Good stuff. We'll process some of this and get a fire. Bought me this silky saw for Christmas. Ain't she nice? Thing's nice. I forget you got to pull. Have to be reminded of that. some cedar. It works a lot better when you just pull it. Anyway, I'm gonna keep cutting some of this up, and then I'll fat wood now. I got all my little sticks, so I went and got them. Make these feather sticks. I got to practice on my feather sticks a little bit better. I need to do better on them. Uh-oh, broke that one. Ain't much of a feather stick, is it? Maybe that'll be enough to get it started though. I need to actually just split a bunch of these, I guess. Uh-oh. Pretty rich. Uh-oh. I don't know, maybe that'll be enough. Let me cut this other camera on. See if I can get over here by the fire and get some. All right, let's see. I got the, my cedar. Got a little fat wood in there with it. Another piece. Well, that's pretty dry. Maybe that'll catch, I hope. We'll see. All right, y'all ready? I had me a brand new tube to blow with, and I left it up at the house. Yep. I don't know why that does that. It goes out every time. Crazy. I'll have to get me some better tips on that. I can get it started, I just can't keep it going. You there? Interest to Leon's fire starter, like I always do when I cheat. Whoop. Put that down in there, that'll get going. Get my sticks. I hope that camera over there is picking it up. Get all my little sticks in there. We're getting it now, ain't we? I just wanted to get out here and spend a little time with everybody today. I ain't really, probably just make some coffee. I didn't bring anything to cook. I know y'all get tired of me cooking, but it's fun. I told y'all I was gonna move the shelter, didn't I? I built the back of it up hoping that it would draw over there. Of course, I got the fire built on this side. We move it over in a minute after we get it started. Got her going though. I had to cheat and use Leon's fire starter again. Got her going now, don't we? Oh. Let's see. Here's my grail. My wife won this at the Georgia Bushcraft gathering. It's pretty nice. I've only used it once. I left it down at my building and it was full of ice. So I had to take it up to the house and clean it up. Again, we're not used to this kind of weather here in Alabama. I think today, I hadn't used this. I think today we'll use my little kettle. Make some coffee. I made this coffee strainer to go in this. This is pretty neat. I just took an old strainer and look, I cut it all off and made it real short so it would fit into here. And you know, you can actually percolate coffee in there. It's pretty neat. It's just an old one that I had. I just took a pipe cutter, like a copper tubing cutter and cut that off and just shortened it. It's pretty cool. If anybody wants to try that, it works okay. You just can't see it coming out the, you know, when it starts perking. Let's see. I got this new H2O pouch for Christmas. My wife bought me a ton of stuff. She loves me. Better get me a rock, put back there on that end. Just want to raise up a little bit. Uh-oh, tripped. Okay. Oh, let's get this on there. This thing's got a little rubber around the handle. So you have to be careful with it. I guess it'll burn off one of these days, but that thing works pretty good. I like it. But sorry I've been a little slower. We went to Gatlinburg, and of course Christmas is going on. I put a video, like a Merry Christmas video out there, but just wanted to get out this morning and just build a little fire and you know, spend a little time with you guys. Again, I just make some coffee this morning. Maybe I can me and my wife may camp out down at the cabin one night. If we do that, I'll film it. I got a new mattress to put down there, so I got to go down there and put it on the bed that in the back of the cabin. This is my little fire kit. It actually has that bellow. I know a bunch of you guys keep telling me to get that thing to blow the fire, because I'd get down, you know, and blow sideways, but it's got some of the things like Leon had the Vaseline and cotton balls, matches, all kinds of neat stuff I got in here. Got some char cloth, fat wood, a lighter. This is inside this bottle with some tape around it. That's fat wood. Let me see. I know I got a bellow. Yeah. And I bought one yesterday. I don't know if this is it or not. Now this is actually a, yeah, I think no. This is pretty cool. This come off of a Coleman, like a Coleman stove. You put it up in there and it'll light it. And I just ended up with it in here. I know I got a bellow in here somewhere. Here it is. So look, this is my buddy, my guy on YouTube that's always keeping me straight, and also Mr. Bundrum, my buddy, my Sunday school teacher. He told me I needed one of these, so I got one. And I also got a bigger one that I got yesterday. But anyway, this is my little fire kit, and I never had room in my bread bag for it, so now I can start bringing it. What I was looking for is my coffee. Which I think is right here. And you know, I told y'all last time I was almost out. But I filled this thing up the other day, so I got plenty now. Must not want that thing to come loose. I had 3 rubber bands on it. Look at there. It's full now. Whoa! I think I just put all of them on there so I'd have extra ones. There's just a place to keep it, which it makes it aggravating getting the coffee out, but still okay. Let's see. I ended up with a pretty good fire. If you get an opportunity to get out in the woods and do something, you know, just do it. This morning I kept messing around and wasn't gonna come down here and do this, and I'm glad that I did now that I'm down here. Sometimes you just need a little kick start. That cedar that was down there that's up off the ground and break it off of old cedar limbs, that stuff burns pretty good. Growing up down here, I see a lot of videos where people was burning cedar. I don't know why, but down here I've never thought, you know, we never really burnt cedar, but it's pretty dry and it burns good. So learn something new for a campfire. I don't know if you'd want to burn it in your fireplace in the house. I like cedar trees. I wouldn't want to cut them all down for firewood. Maybe up north there's a lot more cedars. But anyway. Need to get me a little stick so I can tell when the water's boiling. Let's see. It's close though. It's real close. I put those rocks around the back so that it would, you know, it'd be like a firewall. You know, it's supposed to draw the smoke and the fire that way. So I hope that you guys can see it good. You know, video. And I got another camera up today to we'll see how that works too. I'm gonna try to push the fire over there. I hope it don't go out, and see if it draws over there better. I think it is. Looks like it's coming around back toward me though, but we'll see. If I keep the fire back over there on the back side, of course I'm gonna have to move my water over. Get some more cedar on there. I think that did help the smoke though. That's what I needed. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, we got us a good boil, so I can make me some coffee. All the smoke's gonna come now that I'm gonna get coffee. Let's see. Got a little breeze is what it was. Look at here. The little kettle works pretty good. Let me just leave it on there, stay warm. You know, I told you I always stirred it. It's just black coffee. Probably doesn't need stirring. Ah, that's good. See if I can get this turned around fairly level. I was going to show you my little hack on my... I think I showed it to y'all before. But this is my Stanley cup. Some coffee and all on there. But you know, they come and they got this handle on them. But you know, I hang mine over the fire a lot. All this is, I don't remember if it was a coat hanger or if it was, I took an old paint bucket and took the, you know, the handle off of it. But I just took and turned a real, I put an L in it. You can see right here. See, I just put a real little bitty L in it and drilled a hole in the top so that, you know, it'd go hook in there, and then I made it springy, you know, pushed it in a little further, you know, just made that. And of course you adjust it to where you can't see for the smoke. You just adjust it where you want it, you know, the length wise. Need to move the camera. Okay. Yeah, just it works really well. So you know, you can use it to hang over the fire, or you can use it normally. So just a little hack that I wanted to show you this morning. Thanks for being down here with me this morning and watching the video. Get this thing back put up. But get out and enjoy the outdoors. Go down in the woods, build you a fire. Just have fun. And like I said, keep everything in line in life. Keep God first. You know, everything will be okay. But thanks for being down here. I think I said that already. I wish you was here to drink a cup of coffee with me. You know, maybe I can we'll go squirrel hunting or something on the next video. But anyway, thanks for watching. Creek Camper out.